Zigging. Stop. Hello. Hi, how you doing? Yeah. Duh. You're not supposed to turn left there either. You're supposed to turn left up here. I think he ran the red. Oh. Dual turn fail. Shut up, you high beams! Somebody ran the red light. Okay. Ran the red. Ran the red. That wasn't a stop. Neither was that. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. I just told you to not try that. Thank you.
After 500 yards, you have reached your destination.
And cut him off. Hi, how you doing? Hello. Yeah, that wasn't too frickin' smart. Back up, stupid. There's a reason there's a stop line. Dingle mob. Hello. And shut off your high beams! Tell you to turn! Are your high beams on? If they are, shut them off or I'll shoot them out. Bang, bang. Blizzard, that's nice. Shut off your fucking high beams! Jesus H. fucking Christ, thank you. People, what is it with you people? Whoa! Slow the fuck down, dude. Slide away there in the red. Just stay in your lane, please. Stay in your lane. Stay in your fucking lane. You're supposed to stop. Could you at least clean off your headlights and turn signals? Clean up your friggin' car. Stop! Shut up, you high beams, Toyo turd! Stop! I don't think I got stopped either. I know you didn't stop. Whoa!
Please say the list number or say next page.
A little closer, kids, why don't we? Really? You can get out of his trunk. Blinker maybe? I don't know. Next stop coming up. Show your shirt. There we go. Thank you.